Now the question before us is diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Now this is the cone. Now what has been given to us is the diameter of the base. Diameter means from this point to this point, from this point to this point. This is the diameter. This is 10.5 centimeter. Next is, and the slant height is 10 centimeter. What is the slant height? Slant height is the distance from the apex to any point on the perimeter of the base. This is the slant height. This slant height is L is equal to 10 centimeter. So answer is, what has been given to us is diameter is equal to 10.5 centimeter. From here we can calculate the radius. Radius is the half of the diameter. Radius R is equal to 10.5 divided by 2, because radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So it becomes 105 over 20, because we have solved it at 10.5 and the 0 has been come below. So we have calculated the value of R. Now slant height is already given to us. Slant height is equal to 10 centimeter. We know that the curved surface area the formula for calculation of curved surface area, that is CSA or LSA, is pi R L. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi R L. What is the value of pi? It is 22 over 7. What is the value of R? This is given. We have calculated 105 over 20. What is the value of L? The value of L is, this is L. This is 10. We will solve here. It can be divided by 2. It can also be. 10 is here cut. We can cut 7 with here. Now we will multiply 11 with 15. It will become 165 square centimeter. So the answer before us is CSA of cone is equal to 165 square centimeter. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.